go like this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. That one's our ride, our boat, new boat. Super excited about that.
Boat's in reverse. There you go.
It's a beautiful sailfish marina. It's like the Bahamas, but without all the bugs. Look at that boat with 4 engines on it. It's nice.
Step to the right, step, right, step, go, step, right, step, go, step, left, right, left heel, right heel, left heel, step right, step it, that's it, I break that, step, behind, step, touch to the left, behind, forward,
part, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, right now I'm filming the bread because this bread is so good. This is like, I don't really eat a lot of bread, but this pumpernickel bread, it's all warm and this butter. You can see it's like super like almost, how do you say, fluffy? It's warm and it melts right in there. We have a 6-ounce sirloin, sweet potato, veggies. We have some baby back ribs. But you have barbecue sauce, ketchup, Aussie fries, and another sirloin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's a birthday from the Impact crew. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Hey! Everybody forgot the first verse. Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was, oh my goodness.
We gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.
It's vanilla ice cream with chocolate brownie, fudge, melted, and it is called the Thunder from Down Under. It's my little birthday treat they brought. Amor, is that your spoon? I left a spoon in there. Is this the happiest day of your life?
Oh.
Christian loves my birthday. This is the US. everything bigger. So I started it looking for some more to finish it. I said, oh, I'm gonna give it to the neighbors, and he said, no, I'm gonna eat it. And then all of a sudden, here we are.
You're tired. Someday you're tired.
So is he gonna do it? Is he gonna finish it? He's already tried to stop eating that like 4 times. He's like, I'm done. And I said, I'm gonna get it to the neighbors, and picked up the spoon. He's back. I have to capture this, all the people to see. Do it. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Oh my.
You can do it. It was my birthday cake, and now the challenge.
The biggest cake I've ever seen.
And I got a good 45 seconds on camera of you eating it. This is the happiest birthday of my life.
You take the before too?
Yeah, the before and after. I'm waiting for that last bite. You better hurry. You're making the people wait. And now you have to drink it like a little soup.
Whoa. I can breathe.
Having way too much fun for my birthday. Thanks, Amor. Make my birthday nice. Oh, he's really souping it. I was joking. I didn't think you were gonna actually do it. Oh, these are great. Sorry, I'm not even paying attention to my camera anymore.